कोर्स नेहा को और मुझे और बहुत सारी मदर्स को ये जानना है. I completely agree to that, yes.
Child.
2 glasses of milk in a day.
You know, an outdoorsy person, we are actors, we are into fitness.
So you mean that our diet is majorly lacking the micronutrients for our kids?
Micronutrients, yes.
मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि less screen time हो.
ये fact check.
हम इतना कुछ सुनते हैं और इतना कुछ देखते हैं, तो मैंने आज सोचा कि क्यों ना न्यूट्रिशन आपके लिए बिल्कुल सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया जाए. Here we go.
सब हेल्दी खाना चाहते हैं, पर किसी ने बताया नहीं कि हेल्दी होना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं होता. बस थोड़ा अवेयरनेस और थोड़ा सा इंटेंशन. जब आप अपने खाने को सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, तो बॉडी अपने आप बैलेंस में आती है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट ईटिंग लेस, इट्स अबाउट ईटिंग राइट. सिंपल चॉइसेस, रियल डिफरेंस.
Hi my beautiful people, welcome to a brand new episode of किसी ने बताया नहीं. न्यूट्रिशन सिंपल भी हो सकता है. Well, जब से मैं माँ बनी हूँ तब से मैंने लाइफ में बहुत सारे फेजेस देखे हैं. प्रेगनेंसी का फेज, स्वीट बेबी मून का फेज, क्रेजी हार्मोनल फेज, उसके बाद तो डिलीवरी हुई, फिर मेरी लाइफ में बेटियां आई, उनके साथ मेरा भी जन्म हुआ. और जब मेरा नया जन्म हुआ, मुझे फील हुआ कि शायद मुझे अब हर चीज़ नए सिरे से सीखनी है और मैं अपनी बेटियों को बहुत कुछ सिखाऊंगी. लेकिन सच कहूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरी ही बेटियां मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाती है. तो फिर मैं क्या करूँ? मैं तो सिंपल उनका अब पालन और पोषण कर रही हूँ. और जब बात पोषण की आती है, आई हियर यू मदर्स, वी ऑल ओवरथिंक. आई ओवरथिंक. क्या मैंने अपने बच्चों को सही न्यूट्रिशन दिया? क्या मैंने यहाँ कुछ कमी दे दी? क्या मैं ये ऐड करना भूल गई? क्या मुझे कुछ सब्ट्रैक्ट करना चाहिए? मुझे ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए? बहुत सारे सवाल है और इन्हीं सवालों के जवाब मुझे और आपको आज इस पॉडकास्ट की कॉन्वर्सेशन के माध्यम से मिलेंगे. और इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए आज हमें ज्वाइन किया है, प्लीज आई विल टेक द लिबर्टी ऑफ सेइंग दिस, हमारे कॉलेज टाइम की हार्ट थ्रॉब, द एक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, टॉक शो की होस्ट and now a beautiful mother to 2 children, Neha Dhupia.
Well, thank you very much. I mean, इतना pressure डाल देते हैं ना introduction में. Beautiful mother to 2 children. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing or not, but I'm always learning.
You are absolutely doing the wonderful thing. And along with her is the nutritionist Namami Agarwal, जो कि Namami Life की founder भी है. Welcome on किसी ने बताया नहीं.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for taking out time. I would say कि आपका वक्त मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कीमती है.
ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. I would say कि you know I am the one who's actually sandwiched between the two of you. मुझे यहाँ से भी सीखने को मिलेगा और सुनने को मिलेगा और यहाँ से तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. The minute you introduced Namami, I was like, yes, now this is my turn to ask as many questions. And today my role is of a mother. Yes. I have so many questions. I have so much to share. And at the same time, I also want to learn so much more from this conversation, you know. Like, because we're on the subject of food, nutrition, नमामी यहाँ बैठी है तो मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं शुरू कर ही दूँ.
Yes, let's begin. Of course, नेहा को और मुझे और बहुत सारी mothers को ये जानना है, because you meet a lot of kids and you deal with a lot of kids nutrition. तो आप हमको बताइए that our worry, whether we are doing enough, how much it is applicable in today's life for us.
First of all, congratulations on your twin toddlers, and you two are also blessed with 2 beautiful kids.
Thank you.
I think that itself is a full-time nutrition experiment.
Oh yes.
And trust me, you guys are not alone. I have met so many mothers with similar concerns. So I feel like a child's diet should not be complicated. It's no rocket science. It should just fit your kid's lifestyle, routine and schedule. And it's the foundation, right? जब हम एक building को खड़ा करते हैं, the foundation needs to be strong,
Absolutely,
right?
yeah.
And अगर वो foundation strong नहीं होगा, the building's gonna fall anyhow. So it's the same way with the kid. The foundation needs to be strong, and something which your child is already used to of eating or drinking should be introduced on a daily basis. Say as simple as milk, a glass of milk. Now why I'm saying milk? Because you know it's the nutritional powerhouse. It provides a lot of micronutrients as well. And a lot of mothers, they do ask me, is milk really necessary? And I'm like, you know, there's so many shelves are louder than ever. There's so many options, almond milk, pistachio milk, walnut milk.
आई थिंक ये जो दूध वाला इन्होंने भी बात कही ना, आई वाज लाइक दूध हमारे घर में तो इसको ना एक संपूर्ण आहार कहा जाता है. इट्स लाइक अ कंप्लीट न्यूट्रिशनल सो कॉल्ड इंडेक्स. और मेरे घर में ये प्रचलन हमेशा से था क्योंकि मैं गांव से, आई बिलोंग टू अ विलेज, मेरे पास गाय भैंसे सब हुआ करती थी, तो हमारे पास खुद का दूध हुआ करता था. और जब भी
थोड़ा हमारी तरफ भी भेज दीजिए.
ज़रूर, ये पॉडकास्ट के बाद मैं डेफिनेटली घी तो डेफिनेटली भेजूंगी.
सुन लिया आप सबने.
तो हम जब भी दूध के बारे में बात करते हैं तो मेरे जहन में ये बात आती है कि मैं अगर अपने बच्चों को कोई पोषण दूंगी, सो मिल्क इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट पॉप्स अप इन माय हेड. एंड इट इज लाइक नॉट जस्ट अ ट्रेडिशन, इट्स अ कंफर्ट थिंग ऑल्सो. दूध, और दूध को हम कैसे न्यूट्रिशियस बना सकते हैं, कैसे उसे एक्साइटिंग बना सकते हैं. नमामी, इफ यू कैन जस्ट help us with that.
Milk is not a trend, it's a nutrient delivery system. Your child is growing, bone development is happening, immune system development, cognitive development is happening. So I feel like I ask a smarter question to all the mothers in return, like, what can you add to your child's diet which your child is already eating to make it more biologically powerful? Say in a glass of milk, what can you add? As simple as Bonvita.
Oh,
Yeah. So milk provides calcium and protein. So what I mean by adding Bonvita, your child will also get now iron, B12, vitamin D, zinc, vitamin A and vitamin C.
That's amazing. The minute she said na Bonvita, मेरे जो antennas है ना वो खड़े हो गए, and my entire memory got jogged back to the point where we were kids. And really, like, I see that expression. And हमारे यहाँ होता था कि हर चीज़ में, like Bonvita for us in our lives, and I've grown up in this Fauji home where it was, incentivized कि अब वक्त आ गया है. और हम लोग तो बोलते भी नहीं थे कि दूध पियो, हम लोग तो ये बोलते थे कि चलो आ जाओ टेबल पे, Bonvita पियो या Bonvita तैयार है. So, and I see it, I get it, like, because it's also striking me back as to हम जब वो दिन में 2 बार बॉर्नवीटा पीते थे या दूध पीते थे, जो भी आपको कहना है, बट मैं तो यही कहूँगी, जब हम पीते थे, इट वॉज ऑलवेज लाइक, ओके, now it's time to go out. Now is when, those were the fillers where you actually went out to play right before that. Right. Or you came back and your mother was, or at least my mother was striking the right nutrition, fatigue, my growth notes correctly. Yeah. And when you look at it from then to now and to see Namami, you say it, you feel like, okay, yeah, this is what I need to do. And it's a simple solution, it's not complicated.
जैसे आपने बॉर्नवीटा का जिक्र किया, I was like, yes. So Namami, you are saying that एक ग्लास दूध में 2 चम्मच अगर हम बॉर्नवीटा डालते हैं तो आप न्यूट्रिशन और स्ट्रेंथ को डबल कर रहे हैं. If you want to elaborate, I mean, everybody is wanting to hear that. और क्या कर सकते हैं हम?
When you focus on eating right, when you shift your focus from calories to nutrients, the story becomes altogether different, right? You want to focus on micronutrients, you want to focus on proper nourishment of the child, the energy levels are proper, the fatigue is not there. So I feel doubling the nutrition makes really sense by adding 2 spoons of Bonvita. It's very easy, it's simple, it can fit into child's routine very easily. Wow. So basically, you're enhancing the same base without complicating your child's diet. I have mothers who ask me 3 questions. First is my child eating enough?
I'm the one.
Second, my child is overeating.
Also me.
And the third one is my favorite. Is my child eating right?
Also us.
Yeah.
And I also believe that the right amount of nutrition intake can actually build everything that you want to build for your child. वो जो foundation की हम बात शुरू में कर रहे थे. Or for instance, like, my children, they बहुत conscious effort है, because you know I'm also married to somebody who's you know an ex-athlete, and ex-athlete तो कुछ होता नहीं है, you're all constantly you know an outdoorsy person, we are actors, we are into fitness, तो हमको ऐसे लगता है कि अपने बच्चों को भी जैसे शाम के वक्त बिल्कुल ही घर पे नहीं रखना है, we want to make them you know more outdoorsy, we want to make sure that they चाहे वो running हो, football हो, gymnastics हो, कुछ भी वो कर रहे हैं, and you know that's what it is, you know when there's so much physical stuff that goes on as far as the children are concerned, you're constantly thinking that okay, is this enough, is this not enough, am I cutting back too much, am I listening to too many people. एक surround sound भी होता है कि जब चार माएँ इकट्ठे बैठ के बात करें तो आपको suggestions भी लेनी होती हैं, और I also think that hearing it from the expert is the right way to go. We consciously reduce screen time, but I know that screen time is also exhausting and one should stay away. I don't know, Rubina, like do you experience that?
I completely agree to that, yes. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि less screen time हो, but physical activity ज़्यादा हो. So Namami, you only help us with this thing that less screen time, or maybe आज के ज़माने में तो more screen time and less physical activity, it is actually somewhere constraining our strength, our kids' strength and everything. So you tell me, is it a generational thing, or our coming generation is only growing weaker by all these practices?
Honestly, in our times, I don't think so. We were home that too much. We used to go out, we used to outdoor activities, you know, we used to play badminton, we used to play a lot of sports for that matter, and the screen time was next to nothing, because we used to play outdoors, vitamin D levels were good, nutrition was top there, and then B12 were also in the range. Nowadays, if you see, kids are deficient in B12 and vitamin D.
Because you're talking about, you know, iron and B12 and all of this, and even my pediatrician, she's constantly talking about like micronutrients. Yes. And जैसे our daughter is like, you know, she's 7, our son is 4, और हर 3 साल में I feel like even in the parenting world, in the pediatric world, trends keep changing. अब हमेशा माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स की बात होती है, हमेशा ये बात होती है कि इस चीज़ की डेफिशिएंसी ना हो तो ये ले लो, इस चीज़ की नहीं हो तो ये ले लो. आई एम सेइंग कुछ आप ऐसा बता ही दो ना कि जहाँ पे डेफिशिएंसीज थोड़ी कम हो जाएं. आप कुछ ऐसा बता ही दो where you are like okay, at least these checks I'm doing on my own. Because पहले स्क्रीन टाइम की बात होती थी, अब आउटडोर की बात हो रही है, अब ये मत करो. Tell me this whole like the noise around micronutrients and raising kids.
Let's do a quick stat here. Okay. So CNNS found that 14% of preschoolers are deficient in vitamin B12. 17% are deficient, school-going kids are deficient in B12, and 31% adolescents. Again, zinc deficiency, 19% preschoolers, 17% school-going kids. National Family Health Survey also found that there are high levels of anemia. So if you see the stat, iron, B12, vitamin D on top. So we have to make sure the lifestyle and the diet needs to support the lifestyle, right?
So that's what I feel like Rubina and me are just smiling lesser because we're like okay,
ये
fact check, और हम लोग I somewhere feel like sometimes the solution lies in front of you, and as mothers you don't want to take it because it's such an easy solution. You're like इतना आसान तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
Yeah.
So you know that's what it is. Like you know, for me also, again like it's on. A lot of it can come back through food, but again generationally, because we're on that subject, हम बात कर रहे हैं. So everything changes. I grew up in a Fauji home. वहाँ पे जो भी टेबल पे पड़ा होता था, our mothers, I would speak for a lot of us, right? Even all of us, I can speak for that. जो पड़ा होता था टेबल पे हम जाके खा लेते थे. Were you given a choice?
खाना पड़ता था, वरना थप्पड़ पड़ता था.
I don't know whether you know we were given that choice. अब हम ऐसे करते हैं. Is giving choices a way of showing affection, or are you retracting from the nutrition? Because the kid will always go for taste, but at the same time give us solutions where there is nutrition and there is taste, right? Yeah. Because it's 2026, there's no harm asking for the balance, right? Yeah. We can ask for it.
Our parenting styles are very, very different.
Yeah.
पहले बच्चे were a part of life. Today they are the project of our lives. So you know, bringing that whole plate in front of them, giving them choices, asking them, or maybe understanding क्या आपको मेरे घर में तो twins हैं, एंड दे हैव डिफरेंट पर्सनैलिटीज़. अगर एक को मीठा पसंद है तो दूसरे को थोड़ा नमकीन पसंद है. एक अगर बनाना खाए तो दूसरा एप्पल खाए. तो मेरे लिए तो मतलब इट्स डबल द वर्क.
बट मुबारक हो, एक एप्पल और बनाना है ना, इट हैजंट गॉन बियॉन्ड दैट.
जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल है. सो बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टीज हैं, बहुत सारी मतलब हाउ टू रीग्रुप इट एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि यार अब इन सब चीज़ों में न्यूट्रिशन ना रह जाए. तो हमने बात कर ली है हाउ टू बिल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग हैबिट्स अराउंड फूड विदाउट मेकिंग इट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स, you talked about zinc, you talked about vitamin B, you talked about iron. So tell me that how does it actually impact the growth or the growing stage in our children?
Well, let's talk about the mechanism here. Nutrients does not work in isolation.
Okay.
Say vitamin D helps in the absorption of calcium present in the milk, which is required for bone strength. Yeah. Vitamin B12 is required for red cell formation, which impact your energy levels.
Okay.
And neurological development. Iron is required for oxygen transport, and again it affects the energy levels. Vitamin C is required for iron absorption. Vitamin A for vision. So I feel like when we combine all the nutrients, it's supporting what I call as the 3 pillars of child functions: immune strength, mental strength, and activity. So it supports all of it.
Wow. I mean, and here we are, we're just like, okay, ठीक है, ये नहीं खाना आज के दिन, ये मत खाओ, ये कर लो.
कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, but I mean, I feel like over time, I've learned, because that and I'm guilty as charged. I'm that mother जो पहले options भी देती थी. Also because our children, like, they were born during the lockdown, और खाने के through लाड प्यार भी.
वो तो हमने अपनी माँ से सीखा है ना, बेटा थोड़ा सा खा ले तो और ले ले बेटा.
I would say that, I want to come back to the subject of just giving milk. Like, people need to also stop saying that milk is not good for you. Milk is great for you. I drink milk all the time, and I just feel like it's so important as far as our children are also concerned. Now, because you said Bonvita is something that covers a lot of the micronutrients, right? And correct me where I'm wrong, there's also a question of sugar.
Absolutely.
That comes in.
Exactly. और हमारे घर में भी ना जब दही देते हैं तो उसमें शक्कर मिलाकर देते हैं, टेस्टी लगता है. बट वो शक्कर कितनी देनी है, चीनी कितनी देनी है, हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर, दैट्स डेफिनेटली अ क्वेश्चन. क्योंकि हम इतना कुछ सुनते हैं, शुगर इज़ नॉट गुड, शुगर इज़ बैड, यू शुड नॉट गिव योर किड्स शुगर. बट येस, ऑल्सो आई सेकेंड दिस बिकॉज इवन आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ किड्स स्ट्रगलिंग विद इट. और मैंने तो ये बर्थडे पार्टीज में बहुत देखा है, जिन बच्चों को घर पर रोका जाता है ना, चीनी नहीं देनी है, माई गॉड, दे आर द फर्स्ट वन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द केक हॉगिंग द केक.
Yeah, true.
Absolutely, I do. Moderation mein, yes, I do. And I strongly believe balance is everything.
See, sugar is not an enemy. Everything in moderation, like you both said, works wonderfully well, like beautifully. Also, I feel something which is providing nutrient and making it enjoyable at the same time for a child. It makes the child is able to sustain it for long. Right? Say like again, Bonvita, if you're adding like 2 tablespoons, it has sugar, but the sugar is under the recommended range. So even if you're adding Bonvita, at least it's adding other nutrients as well and making it enjoyable for your child.
So is it okay to like say how many glasses or how many cups of Bonvita can you give your child? Which
2 glasses of milk in a day.
Imagine कि if you give it up top, like in the beginning of your day or maybe before going to school, you're also cutting out like that sugar craving through the day in school.
Correct. And also you're adding more energy levels. You are adding more, the child is more active throughout the day because the nutrients are getting inside the body, right? It's doing its own job.
Yeah, no, but I genuinely feel like I'm definitely that kind of mother who feels that, whether it's sugar, when we spoke about screen time, whether it's being outdoors, all of it in moderation is great. Like, I just think that it's so important, and this is for a much larger conversation also in life, that we should somewhere find the right balance for our children and make sure that they also have a healthy, happy mind space, healthy, happy body, and emotionally they need to be healthy and happy. When was the last time you ate sugar?
right now before the conversation.
That's why you look happy. When was the last time you ate sugar?
I mean, in the morning.
In the morning, yeah, looking a little less happy than her. When was the last time I ate sugar? Oh yeah, I'm reaching out for it right now. But I'm just saying that if we are doing it, why can't our children? Little bit. I mean, consciously. Like my daughter's 7, and I must confess, like, you know, she does, I need this nutrition, I need this, and sugar, I want the right kind of sugar. So, you know, they're asking at 7, they're asking
Kids
these
are
questions.
more aware than we were back when we were maybe 7.
अब मैं जाके बताऊंगी right kind of sugar ना. Yeah, so I'm going to go back as an aware mother saying that, hey, your nanny gave your mama this, your mama's giving you this, and you know what's good for you now. Yeah.
I also feel like, you know, there's a broader question to ask your, to look into your child's diet. Like, what is the overall diet? How does it look, the overall diet of my child? It's not just one thing, it's not just sugar. The other aspect, is my child active? Is my child eating greens? Is my child having whole foods? So there's a broader aspect to it.
Say that's what na beetroot is not liked by all the kids. Yeah. And one great hack, and obviously it provides iron, it's good for your energy levels, it's good for your stamina. So one great hack is just add beetroot, make pink rotis, make beetroot tikkis out of it, you know, kebabs, or maybe, you know, add it to your chilas, make like pink chilas.
So you know Namami, what I do, Neha, here's what I do with my kids. छोटा सा ही है, मैंने उनके लिए वो 4-5 सेक्शन वाली प्लेट होती है ना, छोटी सी प्लेट. So I try and make their plate colorful. You know, I add some greens, then I do some yellow, and then I pick up veggies or I pick up something which is colorful for them. तो उसमें से उनको जो pick करना है, they can eat. So I've also, you know, of course, some nutritionists and, you know, pediatricians like you, they had told me that this is the way that you can introduce a colorful plate, and it will also ensure कि micronutrients जाते रहे. Please, you can continue.
And the last stage is basically acceptance. And once the child will see it for 30 times, 35 times, 40 times, eventually the child will also try that food item. And if that is also not working, there's one more hack. So you can also hide your vegetables like your doctor said it. You can also hide your vegetables and give it to your child.
I hide it in chilas.
No, I also feel that going back up top, but most importantly, Namami, tell us, what are our takeaways from this one?
Very simple. First, build a plate, a balanced plate. Think of protein, colors, and energy. Now, protein you can get from eggs, dal, paneer, colors from fruits and vegetables, and energy from millets, rice, rotis. Second, diversify the meals through the week. Meals does not need to be complicated. Just make sure there's variety of food items. Third, now say milk is already a part of your child's routine. Think of how you can strengthen it more. Fortification with the food items like Bonvita will help double the nutrients. Milk does not need to replace the meals, but it's just an addition, right? You don't have to substitute your meals. Fourth, make sure your child plays outdoor to get more of vitamin D. And fifth, if you see any deficiency, make sure you get it clinically tested. Don't guess, get clarity.
No, all of it. For me also, it just sounds like it's, you know, these are small changes. You can be consistent with it. And it doesn't sound like it's too tough to do. So this is great, Namami. I mean, you know, thanks for this.
Neha, even I want to have your 2 cents on it.
As in what my takeaways from this conversation? I think, you know, जब हम parents बन जाते हैं ना, we have our eyes and ears open to every conversation, every advice, and then we end up doing what we really want to do. After this conversation, I'm not going to be shying away from giving them those 2 glasses of milk a day. I'm always going to be the one preaching balance. So agar you're finding your sugars, find it. But what I love about my biggest takeaway about this conversation is find the right nutritions along with the sugar to give. And you know, also when you hear big words like micronutrients, don't run away. There's always a solution, and the solution is right there in front of you. And I've grown up drinking Bonvita. I didn't know that all these questions were going to be answered in that hot cup of just drinking Bonvita for my children. So, you know, my takeaway is that sometimes it's the simplest solutions. And कई बार वो words बहुत बड़े होते हैं, but आगे सब है आपके, you know, and I love that. I want to go back and instantly, like I'm itching to go and try it and see, like, you know, how much of an impact, where the fatigue level goes for my children, how much better it gets, you know. And I'm very happy to say that my children at the life stage they're at, whether you call it the foundation, whether you call them kids who are outdoorsy, they're in that perfect life stage to start consuming a product like this, and then let's see आगे जाके क्या होता है. It'll be amazing.
Beautifully said. So with that, हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन का अंत होता है जहाँ पर मैंने ये जाना है कि न्यूट्रिशन कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. It is very important to be mindful about what you are placing in a plate for your child. So to all super moms and the family and the super daddies, please take care of the nutrition, which is very simple. And with that, thank you so much, Neha. Thank you so much, Namami. You have done such a great service of sharing your experience, your knowledge, and it has become the most important thing and the most takeaway to my community of किसी ने बताया नहीं with nutrition simple भी हो सकता है. Thank you so much.